She get lost. She in the back right off. She wanna fuck on the boss. She wanna fuck on the law.
I can already feel it.
There's road on the window. I want to smell that bitch. Holy shit. God damn. What the fuck? Get in there though. Holy shit. Jesus. That's nutty.
Big ass.
Holy shit. That's fucking crazy. Alright, back to Cali. Back to getting the wheels.
That's wild.
That's nutty. Jeez. Let this car hit us.
Okay.
Let's see what we got back here.
Okay.
Let's see what we got back in this bitch. Sheesh. Yeah, so picked up the wheels a little last minute, but we in Cali and picked up the wheels again. But these are the wheels we were talking about in the last clips. Fucking crazy. Got him for a steal. Homie was fucking, we were talking to him, he was back and forth. Oh, fuck, bro, I can't believe I'm letting him go. Can't believe I'm letting him. He was pretty salty. But crazy as shit. We about to drive back right now. Shout out my pops for letting me use the truck. Diesel ass truck, but yeah, gonna slap those on. I'll probably pick up when we're headed. Damn, that looks nutty back there, bro. Looks crazy. Look at looks crazy.
You're flashing all the truckers behind you.
For sure.
All the reflection of the sunlight.
Yeah.
Blowing everywhere.
But yeah, about to turn this shit down. About to head back right now. We're gonna try to take off the spacers and see how the fitment looks on them when we get home. So, all right, y'all. So little update. We actually made it back to the crib. Got the wheels secure. Put them in here because I had to go actually drop off the truck and get my personal truck back. But yeah, right now what we're gonna do is jack them up, get these ugly ass 20s. Well, the boy just pulled up. Jeez. Excuse me, sir. What do you do for a living? What's up, dog?
Hello.
You ready?
Yeah.
I was doing the video and update right now about the wheels and shit. You can park behind the truck again if you want. Jeez. But yeah, we'll put these 20s on when my boy Javier picked up the 19 cranes. So I had these on sitting here for a week. Got those wheels, so what we're gonna do right now is jack it up, take these off. These are actually the wheels that I bought the Z on. Nasty as hell. We're gonna take off the spacers and the actual back wheels, and the wheels in the back lock up. So these ones we actually have a gun to use. So we're gonna take the spacers off, put the new ones on, and see how the fitment looks. See if we need less spacers, more camber, what to do next. So yeah, I'll pick up right now when we get this on. All right, y'all. So we got them on, and they look fucking mean. That's with the spacer on. Jesus. Some wild motherfuckers. Bro, that looks like a monster truck. God damn, big.
What are you doing with that mallet over there?
Just practicing.
Oh shit.
You know,
I mean.
practicing for Isaiah later.
Oh shit.
Don't make him fail triple N.
Oh. How does that make you feel? Like peep yucky? Peep yucky in the back over there.
Bro, you see my tan lines?
Yeah, farmer's tan.
How's work going
For
on
real.
there?
It's cool. I just be fucking slaving away for the white man, bro.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Anything for a dollar bill, no?
Yeah.
You
Type
give me
shit.
that?
I ain't gonna put it in my ass, bro.
Oh. Family friendly channel.
Oh, my bad.
I'm just kidding. I'm just documenting because
I thought I told that hoe that world was mine.
You're gonna copyright strike because the music.
Okay. So, are your fucking 20 followers on a coffee striker?
Yeah, dude.
How many?
YouTube.
How many people are on your page right now?
On YouTube?
Yeah.
340.
Damn.
Million? God.
Yeah,
Wish,
340.
Bro, if that was the case, we'd all have R34s.
That's subscribers, right?
Yeah.
340.
No, YouTube catches it. Like, they'll fucking know, like, because the Playboy Cardi owns the song, so he fucking, anytime they hear it, they fucking copyright strikes. Big ass fire.
Yikes. Which one of y'all was smoking?
No.
I don't know, it was some car or some shit lit on fire.
It was big. It was kind of spooky. I thought it was a cloud. Like I thought the sun was coming up. I was like, oh look, the sun's coming up. But then we got closer and I saw it was like a trail. I was like, oh no, that's a fire, bro. And we just saw the big ass dude with the lift.
Crane.
Yeah, with the crane. He was up there spraying the shit out of it. But it was a big. I think it was a car that blew up, to be honest. Yeah, early, bro. It was like, what, 5 in the morning? 5:30 in the morning?
That's pretty crazy.
I was like, that's a great way for somebody to start the morning, bro.
I was like, insurance fraud. Big ass bag.
Pop, pop. I beat that.
I like the wagon, bro. The wagon's clean.
You lifted it already too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was doing that while you guys didn't do oil. Were you low on oil or something?
He had no oil in there, bro.
It wasn't low, he's no. He had no oil.
Damn.
Let's go on this one. I'll hammer you turn off. You can.
Bye-bye,
I'm
wagon.
gonna hammer the other side. It cleared it.
Yeah?
It doesn't hit it all.
Nice. Close the damn door.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit that.
Wow.
That Chino up
That
tonight.
front looks crazy.
Yo, you can go lower, bro. I mean, maybe you could pick it
Hey, I
up.
got you this thing. Looking at my app, bro. You saw that? 4K.
I was looking before you asked me.
Crazy. You move your hairy ass like, look at this man, bro.
You see a cheat code? Watch this shit.
What the f?
Pull it, imagine. Fuck that.
Odd or even?
Fuck no. Done.
Nice.
Yeah, that thing is clean.
Change the scenery.
I know, I was gonna pick up too.
We're at the crib. You know what I'm saying? Put the wheels on, adjusting it a bit. Test drive, we love them.
You can see the line.
Putting the wing
See the
on.
line. That was from just less, what, a mile? How far you live?
Oh, you know, 2 miles maybe?
That should be fine.
Shit looks like it's got broad shoulders from like the front. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Literally just like us walking.
That was
like
funny. I was driving it and like I stick my head out, you could just see it. But yeah, we get an adjustable control arms for the front. Gonna camber out a little bit more. Obviously new tires. The tires are fucked. And then -5 something around. See what it looks like and be good to go. Just so it's not so fucking. Fucking beat this, boys.
I'm excited for this wing.
Huh?
This wing's about to be crazy.
Yeah, bro.
As it is already destructing shit.
Right?
Very good. Kind of good. No, I'm just kidding. Even if he was, it's okay.
Family friendly, right?
My boy Isaiah already help me out here.
Type shit. Stop.
Oh yeah, look what happened. No, it's not. Don't cut me. Look what happened with the.
Boy, Isaiah already getting
It
mad.
wasn't Isaiah. It's tragic.
It's all good. No, the reason it happened is because we took off those 2-inch spacers and the fucking threads underneath. I already knew they were fucked, so that's what happened.
Yeah.
06 boys.
You already knew.
Let me should I back up more or should I just leave it there?
That should be fine. Nobody's coming. Kind of like having the spread open space. I gotta get a power washer and clean all this shit up. Okay, damn, am I leaking?
Is that from the
Fuck.
trans?
I think. I don't know. I thought I wasn't leaking. I'm gonna go check now.
All right, so little update. We got the bump. Fuck. Got the bumper off. It's over there to the side. Got the taillights out. Everything to the side. So what you had to do is take off the bash bar and obviously put the bar that comes on for the chassis mount. So what we're gonna have to do now is obviously this is gonna be sticking out from the bumper. So we're gonna put a marker right here. I think we're gonna use that jelly. We're gonna put this right on the edge, on both edges, line up the bumper and put it on, and then obviously it's gonna mark where we need to cut on the bumper. It's probably gonna be like right here and right there. And then we'll cut there and be able to good to go.
Anywho.
I'm saying. I think it was this way.
Ugly ass pizza, bro.
Fuck that bitch out.
You just hear me chewing in the background.
What?
You're gonna look back at this video and just hear me fucking smacking on this pizza in the background.
I got my guac slush.
How's it going? How's it going?
All right, you guys, we got everything back in. Lights hooked up. We did everything and forgot this, but we were able to get this clip back in. You know, so got the fight going. But yeah, these are the cuts right here. This is for the chassis mount. Yeah, go ahead, drop that bitch. Wait, on my phone. Just kidding, bro. Jeez, bags. But yeah, went a little high right here, and then over here went a little wider. Another like 1/4 inch wider than it, but I mean from far it's not too bad, but obviously once we put everything, the chassis mount, the cross, the mount, the wing, everything like that, it should be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna put update you guys right now when we get this back together.
Yeah, look at that. I look like a Vato Loco for real. Coming at you live from the tripod in the trunk. Hey, why you hating on the sit-up? Hey, move, look at it.
Listen, y'all, I'll be right back. Gotta get some in and I'm hungry as fuck. Might smoke, but you know what I'm saying? Gotta do my thing.
Damn, tell I found a fucking. That's hard.
That's crazy, bro.
That's nutty. Let me pull it out. the fucking mirror.
Yeah, this shit's crazy, bro. It's so big.
Jeez. Bro, crazy. Alright guys, we just finished up and check how she turned out. Sheesh, motherfucking RC car, for real. But yeah, it turned out fucking crazy. Obviously the cuts, not that bad. That one's not too bad. That one came out really good. But this one's a little noticeable, but like I said, once we have everything on, you can't really tell. But yeah, super fucking aggressive. It's crazy, it's aggressive, but the fucking white one's at HR. This is only a DE. But yeah, look at the wheels are on. 7.5 boys in front, 8.5 lips in the back. Fucking crazy. Only thing that we're gonna do is this sticks out a little too much to my liking. So I'm gonna upgrade my control arms up front. Probably run a little bit more camber in the front and rear, and probably what, -5, huh? Yeah, -5. I had to raise it a little bit. I had to raise it because it was gonna be hitting the bumper, and then back here also I hit with the hammer, so I have full clearance. But yeah, right now we're a little high, but once we upgrade these control arms and camber it out a little bit more, we should be good. And for sure, new tires. Look how bad these tires are. But yeah, looks crazy. Looks nutty as fuck. Bro, the fucking tire, the fucking wheel. It's crazy.
Fuck that. Sideways.
I know, huh?
Your whole shoe. That was 10.5 people.
L Focus and the L Focus.
Yeah, fuck.
10.5 size shoe. Fucking crazy. Yeah, probably get a wash tomorrow because they're fucking nasty. Long ass day. Deadass went to Cali this morning. But yeah, looks crazy. Ruby's next. It looks crazy, dude. The duckbill, yeah. I don't know if you guys saw it, but duckbill to chassis is crazy.
Double.
2 wing boys. Let's make it 3 wings and get the one up here, the little diffuser. Hell yeah.
Nigga like me, for a nigga like me, jiggy young nigga like me.
10 gold chains, wood grain, propane, sell a whole thing, fill up cell phone wine. 10 gold chains, wood